Hey everyone, it's Emery Parsons here from PDMG. I'm back this week to talk with you guys about running a hybrid Amazon fulfillment program, what that looks like, best strategies and practices. Okay, so let's get started, and we're first going to look at what is a hybrid Amazon fulfillment program. So a hybrid program means that you're running both fulfillment by Amazon, or FBA, and fulfillment by merchant, FBM, for your products. Certain products might be FBA while others are FBM. And then certain products might have both FBA and FBM set up. Okay, so let's look at some of the differences between fulfillment by Amazon and fulfillment by merchant and what are the benefits, what products might be good for each. Okay, so let's start with FBA over here, the purple. What types of products are good for FBA? Your best sellers, your products that do the best on Amazon. Your fast movers, so things you can, ship quickly, get to the warehouses quickly. Small items, so something like a pencil, regular size items, something maybe around the size of a book. Anything that's a non-valuable item, so just think like a diamond ring is not something that you would want to ship FBA. Items that don't need to be re-inspected upon resale. Okay, let's go down here and let's look at the benefits of doing FBA. So FBA has the lowest pick, pack, and ship rate in the world, and the storage fees are low, so that's super important. And then with FBA, you do have a level of customer support, which can go a long way. And in addition to that, Amazon does take shipping responsibility. So, let's say something gets lost or something is shipped late, they take the responsibility for that, not you. And then Prime shipping is just free and faster, which can help boost your customer sales. Okay, so let's go back up over here and look at FBM, the orange. What types of products are good for FBM? Your slower movers, your large items, an oversized item with a low retail price would be good here. Delicate items that need careful packaging, like artwork or something like that. High-end, high-value products. So again here, this is where your diamond ring, for example, would work. Items that do need inspection upon resale would be here. Let's go on down. Okay, so FBM benefits. So you do have a better and more controlled returns process, which is great for those high-end items. You do want to have, good control over the returns process for those. You can handle your delicate items with care. You can use FBM as a farming system to put products into FBA. And then lastly, you can run Seller Fulfilled Prime, which is a program that allows you to offer Prime shipping for your customers, but you handle the fulfillment yourself. But do note there are a couple of issues that can happen with Seller Fulfilled Prime. It is very expensive, so the cost is a lot higher. And then you can get suspended from the program for something that may happen that's outside of your control. The rules to be in the program are quite strict. So let's say, for example, your order cancellation rate pops above 0.5%, you will get, kicked out or suspended from the program. Okay, so let's pop over here. With all of this information in mind, FBA should be your primary shipping method. It's definitely the cheapest route, hands down. Running a hybrid program is still important though, as FBM can be a really great backup that you can convert to when it's needed. So like FBA issues may arise with warehouse capacity, inventory limitations, out of stock, so on and so forth. And FBM can help your products continue to move in these situations. Let's look at an example. So for example, when COVID hit last spring of 2020, Amazon FBA stopped sending non-essential goods for a certain period. And the sellers who had FBM in place ready to go as a backup were able to continue shipping their products during the pandemic, which is really awesome. PDMG will evaluate fulfillment on behalf of each client to determine what the best strategies would be for running a hybrid program. So with that in mind, please let us know if you guys have any questions, and I'll include some links down below to our LinkedIn and our website. And be sure to subscribe to our channel. Thanks so much. Have a great day.